Breaking news is rippling through the crypto community today, as rumors intensify that Elon Musk's SpaceX has recently added XRP to its balance sheet. This development, if confirmed, could mark one of the most significant moments in digital asset history and ignite a massive crypto revolution. Let's unpack what this means, why it matters, and what the implications could be for XRP holders and the broader cryptocurrency market. First, it's important to acknowledge that no official statement has been made by Elon Musk or his companies Tesla or SpaceX regarding XRP purchases. However, several analysts have sifted through recent SEC filings looking for clues, and some speculate that vague entries might point toward Tesla or SPX accumulating XRP quietly. Given Musk's history of strategic investments and his well-known interest in blockchain technology, many find this scenario plausible. Elon Musk's impact on the cryptocurrency space is undeniable. From the dramatic surges of Dogecoin following his tweets to his public debates about Bitcoin's environmental footprint, Musk's opinions and moves tend to move markets. Recently, Musk's Twitter activity has hinted at XRP with polls and cryptic messages that have stoked excitement among the XRP army and crypto enthusiasts alike. His massive social media following means that even subtle hints can cause massive waves of buying and selling activity. Now, why would Musk or his companies be interested in XRP specifically? It's a question that has intrigued many in the financial and tech communities. Unlike many cryptocurrencies that focus mainly on decentralized finance or store value narratives, XRP is designed to facilitate fast, low-cost cross-border payments. This makes it particularly appealing for businesses that operate on a global scale and need to move money quickly and efficiently. Ripple Labs, the company behind XRP, has established partnerships with numerous financial institutions worldwide, aiming to disrupt the traditional SWIFT system that banks currently use for international transfers. By leveraging XRP, these institutions can significantly reduce the time and cost associated with cross-border transactions. If Musk sees the utility of XRP as a tool for streamlining payments, perhaps even within SpaceX or Tesla's global operations, then holding XRP could be a strategic business move rather than just an investment. This could mean faster, more efficient financial operations for his companies, aligning with Musk's vision of innovation and efficiency. The potential for XRP to integrate into the financial frameworks of such influential companies could also pave the way for broader adoption in various industries. One major consequence of a high-profile company like SpaceX holding XRP would be a significant supply shock in the market. Ripple currently holds much of XRP in escrow, releasing limited amounts each month to avoid flooding the market and depressing prices. If Musk or SpaceX are buying up large volumes to hold long-term, the circulating supply available to regular traders would shrink. This scarcity effect, combined with growing demand driven by Musk's social media influence and potential institutional adoption, could propel XRP's price dramatically higher. Analysts are already making bold price predictions. Some bullish voices argue that XRP could reach as high as $50,000 per coin in the coming decade. This prediction is based on the assumption that XRP will become the backbone of tokenized real-world assets and cross-border settlements on a global scale. The logic follows that if XRP captures just a small percentage of the vast global derivatives market or international payment flows, its market capitalization could explode, pushing prices into uncharted territory. It's also worth noting Musk's involvement with Dogecoin as a precedent. Dogecoin's extreme volatility was largely driven by Musk's endorsements, tweets, and memes, which turned it from a joke currency into a mainstream asset. If Musk employs similar tactics with XRP using Twitter polls, strategic announcements, or partnerships, it could unleash another wave of speculative buying and increased mainstream attention. However, it's critical to emphasize that, as of now, all claims about Musk's XRP holdings remain speculative. Despite numerous rumors circulating in the financial community, there has been no concrete evidence to substantiate these claims. Many enthusiasts and investors are eager to believe in the possibility, but without verifiable proof, it remains in the realm of speculation. The so-called proof from SEC filings is ambiguous, and no direct evidence confirms that Tesla or SpaceX officially hold XRP. These documents are often misinterpreted or taken out of context, leading to widespread misinformation. It's essential to critically analyze such sources and not jump to conclusions based on incomplete data. Furthermore, the $50,000 price target, while theoretically possible, would imply an astronomical market cap exceeding that of any asset in history due to XRP's large total supply of over 100 billion tokens. Such a valuation would require unprecedented levels of investment and market confidence, which are currently not evident. Investors should therefore approach these predictions with a healthy dose of skepticism and avoid making financial decisions based solely on hype. It's crucial to conduct thorough research and consider the broader market context before making any investment. Relying on sensational headlines and unverified claims can lead to significant financial losses. Moreover, the XRP market faces regulatory challenges, most notably the ongoing legal battle between Ripple Labs and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. The outcome of this case could significantly impact XRP's future price and adoption. While a favorable ruling could clear XRP's path to mainstream acceptance, a negative one could impose restrictions that limit its use. Despite these uncertainties, the growing chatter around Elon Musk and XRP highlights a few important trends. First, institutional interest in XRP seems to be increasing, whether real or perceived, which is a positive sign for the asset's maturity and long-term viability. Second, Musk's involvement, if it materializes, could bring unprecedented attention, capital, and development to the XRP ecosystem. For individual investors and traders, the takeaway is to remain informed and vigilant. Watch for official announcements from Musk or his companies. Monitor SEC developments and analyze XRP's price action and technical patterns. While the prospect of a 50,000 XRP is tantalizing, it's essential to balance optimism with due diligence and risk management. In conclusion, the rumor that Elon Musk's SpaceX has bought XRP has sparked excitement and debate across crypto communities worldwide. This speculation has led to a flurry of discussions on social media platforms, forums, and among financial analysts. Musk's demonstrated ability to influence markets is well documented, and his potential involvement with XRP has only added fuel to the fire. Combined with XRP's unique utility and potential supply constraints, this rumor could create significant market movements. The perfect storm for a massive price surge seems to be brewing, with traders eagerly watching every development. But until more concrete evidence emerges, it is crucial to approach this news with a level of skepticism. Investors should treat this news as speculative and exercise caution, avoiding hasty decisions based on unverified information. Whether or not Musk's involvement becomes reality, XRP's growing adoption in various sectors, and its strategic positioning in the crypto space make it an asset worth watching closely. The potential for growth and innovation within the XRP ecosystem is significant. In the months and years ahead, keeping an eye on XRP could prove to be a wise decision for those interested in the evolving world of cryptocurrency. Stay tuned for more updates as this story develops. The next chapter in XRP's journey could be just around the corner, and it might just reshape the future of money as we know it. This video is for educational and formational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Please do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.